Want to create this Oscar reveal animation in PowerPoint? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make it. First, enlarge the image and use it as the background. The black and gold color scheme looks fantastic. Then add 5 movie posters. Add gold borders around them for a more premium look. Don't forget to add the year and an Oscar statuette. Insert a rectangle to cover the slide. And apply a gold gradient fill. Then insert a right brace shape and adjust its size and position. Select the rectangle and the brace, then go to Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Duplicate the shape and change it to a lighter color. Add a zipper pull along with the Oscar logo. You can also add a gold film reel graphic. Increase its transparency to use it as a subtle decoration. Duplicate the slide. On the second slide, move these elements to the right side. On the first slide, move the Oscar statuette and movie posters outside the slide area as well. Finally, apply the Morph Transition to the second slide, and your suspense style reveal slide is complete.